welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. We fishing. I'm here with my son between Dysart, which is over there, just over there, and Kirkcaldy Beach here with the old castle. There we go, beautiful, isn't it? Wonderful scenery. Sorry about the wind, but there's not that much I can do. Yeah, it's Saturday afternoon. Weather is really good. A bit chilly in the air, a bit of wind, but it's alright. Yeah. Go and say hello to my subscribers. Say hello. What's your target today? Huh? I can't hear you, Noel. Codling. Right. Okay, his target is codling. My target is catching a wonderful time with my son fishing. That's my target. Of course, any fish is welcome. Yeah, so the tide is coming up. High tide is round about 5 o'clock-ish. We have a bit of a swell. So my son, his rod is already casted out. He's fishing a pulley panel with a 3-ounce griplet and 2/0 circulars. So, and the bait is stuffed squid with mussel. Nice. I'm prepared my first rig. I'll wait with my big bait until it's getting dark. But it's just a 2-hook boom rig with the top is a live bait rig, just in case there's any whitings around. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna catch. The wind is picking up a little bit. It's not too bad. Let's go and get it casted out. Okay, let's see if my son can do some filming. Just film me cast. Right, we're in the water. Yeah, I'm just going to use a 4-ounce rolling net. So, okay, stay tuned. It's fine. Yeah, no more bites. So we're just waiting for darkness. Yeah, not much to say. Just enjoying sitting down here and doing nothing. Watching the rod tips. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll keep you updated as we go along. What do you say? There's nothing to say. Let's have a look, see the clarity of the water. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Yeah, pretty clear. Not gin clear, but crystal clear. Ah, look at that view. Old castle. I think it's 15th or 16th century. Secret tunnel. Right, I prepared a big bait. Yeah, nice big mackerel and squid on a 5-0 bottom hook and 4-0 kaiki circular as a panel. 7-ounce gripper on a short pulley panel. So I'm waiting till it gets a bit darker, and then gonna fire this one out. What do you say? It's a good bait.
Yeah.
Looks good, doesn't it? Looks nice and juicy. There's a little bit tangly things on there, and then I'm gonna pop the eyes, let some scent out. Right, stay tuned. No bites. I'm ready to fire my big bait out. There it is. Pulley panel. Squid and mackerel. Let's go and get it fired out into the distance. Somewhere out there. 7-ounce griplet. Okay. Yeah, no bites. Nothing. So I'm going to go back to 2-hook boom rig with mackerel and squid, small hooks, and maybe there's some whitings around. My son's rod is just still nothing whatsoever. So yeah, let's get that checked out and see if we can get a whiting or so, or maybe a flounder or something. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, we're going to sign out now. Going to stay maybe another 20 minutes or so, start packing up. No fish, no bites, except for the first half an hour when my son, well, there could have been fish on, we're not sure, he's pretty sure there was a fish on. But anyway, we had a fantastic afternoon, evening. We didn't catch any fish, but we caught loads of fresh sea air and loads of fun. Did we have fun? Yeah. Okay, it maybe got a bit boring, but yeah, we still had some fun on the beach, listening to the waves and messing around, and yeah, so thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Goodbye, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.